On August 1st, the National Medical Commission revised the regulation for the competency-based medical education curriculum meant for undergraduate courses. And the National MSc Medical Teachers Association is planning to hold a protest against one of the changed regulations. What is this regulation and why a protest? Let us find out in today's episode of Straight Up by edX Live with me, Abhipsa Mohanty. The NMC, in its revised regulations, mentioned that only those assistant professors with an experience of 4 years who have an MBBS degree can become examiners. This leaves out faculty members of non-clinical subjects who possess MSc and PhD degrees. The NMMTA stated that this regulation is biased against them and goes against the basic idea of the teaching learning process. Dr. Ayan Das, General Secretary of NMMTA, explains that such faculty has been working in medical colleges for the last 50 years and still not being able to qualify as an examiner is akin to discrimination. Stating that it has no longer any confidence in the NMC, the NMMTA has decided to stage an agitation at Delhi's Jantar Mantar on August 21st. Let us hear what the demands of the protesters will be from Tukaram Prabhu, President of NMMTA himself.
Since 2019, the regular deletion of MSc PhD teachers from the NMC regulations is creating undue mental stress on the MSc PhD teachers. Even in the recent CBME regulations of 2023, the examinership is being denied to the MSc PhD teachers. We want NMC to revert this regulation. We want NMC to revert to Schedule 1 of the Teachers Eligibility Qualification Regulation 1998, which gives the MSc PhD teachers a fair chance in the medical education system. With these demands, we are going to protest at Jantar Mantar very soon.
Previously, the percentage of non-MBBS faculty intake was reduced from 50% in biochemistry and 30% in anatomy and physiology to 15%. Further, it was reduced to 0% in microbiology and pharmacology. Then the intake percentage was increased slightly to 30% in June this year owing to a court case filed in the Delhi High Court by NMMTA. It may be recalled that on July 20th, the All India Pre- and Paraclinical Medicos Association said that just an MSc as a sufficient qualification to hire someone as a lecturer was not justifiable, as this was passed to address the paucity of faculties back then. They even protested regarding the same. That's all from us today. Keep watching for more education-related updates and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.